Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation, and today we are going to see how to find the sum of digit from the given number. So before this program we have seen like how to count the number of digit, then how to count the number of even and odd. Now we need to find out the sum of digits, so same logic will be applicable. So let's try to find out that too. So I will create a new class over here, sum of digit. So let's try to find the target first. So for example, I have the number like 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need to find out the sum of this. So 1 plus 3, 4, 8, 13, 19 and 26. So 26 should be the answer because 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So this is 26. So I need to find, or I need to develop the logic for this, how to get this 26. So let's try to define one number, integer number equals to the same number I will use, and here we need to find out the sum. So for finding the sum, what we need to do, we need to find out the remainder too. So I will define one variable for remainder, and there will be one sum variable. Okay, so in remainder we'll get the each number as a separate number, and in sum we'll add the summation. And here I will apply the same logic or same loop. We can say that while number greater than 0. Okay, if the number is greater than 0, then this logic will be applicable. So first of all I will try to find out the remainder. Okay, so remainder equals to num modulus 10, because we know that we have used the modulus operator multiple times. So please don't miss any video. If you have missed any session, then that will be difficult to understand all those things. So try to watch the every logical program videos, then there will be no problems, because I am taking this as a proper series. Then here we are getting the remainder. Now after getting the remainder, we need to add that remainder into the sum. So I will use sum equals to sum, that is 0, and rem. So here I can say, here I am getting the number like modulus 10 equal to 7, and in the second row I will get sum equals to sum was 0, 0 plus remainder is 7. So in this get sum becomes 7. You can say total 7. Now what we need to do, we need to find out the 6, or we need to separate the 6, but for that we need to update the number. So for that I will use like number equals to number divided by 10. Okay, this will we can say that update the number, and finally this particular loop will be executed multiple times as per the iteration, and finally we'll get the sum. So here I try to print the sum of digit equals to plus sum. Let's try to print this or execute this. So here we are getting the 26. So this is what the correct thing. So let's try to try to see how it works. So here we can say that we have the original number like this and modulus 10, so that becomes 7. So I am getting 7 as a separate number, and here I am calculating or adding this number to sum. So basically sum is 0 first of all, because we have defined as a 0, then 0 plus 7 7, and here I will get the remainder. So like 9, sorry, here I will get the updated number. So number equals to, number was like this and divided by 10. So as divided by 10, so this become like this. So number get updated. Again the condition will be checked if the number is greater than 0 or not. As we know that 1345 number is much greater than 0. So again we'll apply the same condition. So here we'll get the updated number like this, modulus 10. Here we'll get the 6, and now sum was 0 first of all, now sum is 7. So 7 plus remainder 6, so that become 13, and again number is going to update it by using this formula by 10, so it become like this. After this again it will check for the condition, then it will find out the remainder of this, so it become 5. Then as sum is 13 before, so it become 13 and 5, then it become 18, and again the number is going to change like 134. So in this way all this operation will be going on, and we will get the final sum over here. If you need to print the sum for every iteration, so we can add one statement over here like sum so sum for uh, sum as per the iteration was to, I can print the sum over here. So in every iteration we'll get the sum, and here we'll print a final sum of digit. So you can see that first of all the sum is 7, then 13, then 18, 22, 25 and 26. Finally we are getting the sum of digit as 26. So there is no need to print this, okay, but if we need to see how the iteration work, then we can make use of this statement to see in the first iteration what is the value, in the second iteration what is the value of sum. So in this way we can perform the sum of digit. Okay, thank you.